Okay, so today we're going to go through how to set up a Facebook ad utilizing a keyword through Manychat. So the reason for doing this is because Facebook is constantly changing the way in which you need to get Facebook Messenger to work correctly with a third party. And not only that, but Facebook basically changes things all the time just to keep us on our toes. So I'm here to go through exactly how to get this done. And there's quite a few steps, so you might want to take some notes or utilize the pause button as frequently as you need to. So let's get started. So I'm here on Manychat, my favorite app for using on Messenger. And I've created a message with just the word go and exclamation point. And I'll explain why I decided to use that later on in this presentation. So over here you'll see that when the word go is either typed or clicked on through a button, this flow will automatically be generated and it will take them to this buyer leads home valuation demo flow. And what's important to note here is that every keyword generated flow has a number associated with it, and you'll see the number up here. That number is going to be needed later on when you create your Facebook ad, and I'll show you where that is. All right, so let's go over to Facebook Ads Manager, and we're going to create a Facebook ad. You'll see that I have one going on here already. We're going to create a new one, and we're going to create a new campaign. The objective here is going to be for messages. So we're going to click on messages, and we're going to call this campaign Facebook Messenger Ad Test 1. I'm just going to copy that because I'm going to use it on our other pages here. All right, so ad set name, we're going to just paste that in here. And here the message destination is one thing that's important to note. So you're going to send it to click to Messenger. So that's what's going to happen when somebody clicks on your ad. It's going to go to Messenger. We're not doing a sponsored message. That is only used for when people have already interacted with your Messenger. You can also do something through WhatsApp, but for this presentation, we're going to be using Messenger and click to Messenger. All right, so let's go down, and we're going to use basically a very broad audience. You can change yours to whatever you want to. I'm just going to change mine to less broad number, and you know what? I'm just going to send this to women. And we're going to change the location. Actually, we're going to leave it as United States because right now we've only got 3 to 10 replies per day. So that's going to change as we increase our budget. But first we're going to go to our placements. And so here we're going to change it to edit placements. And so we're going to want to choose where we are showing our Messenger ad. And so here we can change. I'm not going to add them to the stories because the video that we are going to be creating is not going to look great on a full screen that stories take up. And the rest of it we're going to leave. We're going to have it all over Facebook. And so here we're going to change our budget. And when we change our budget, our replies will go up. All right, so we're going to run the ad continuously and continue. So we're going to just copy and paste the ad name in here again, and we're going to choose which page we want to put it on, and then we're going to choose our media. And so I'm just going to add a video that I created. And then we're going to set up the text. And messenger buyer leads. And then description, try it for yourself for free. All right, so we're going to leave send people to chat with another page alone, and then the call to action, I'm going to change it to learn more. All right, so that changed that over there. And then we're going to go here and we're going to create a new messenger experience, but we're going to change the conversation. So here's where the keyword comes into play. So let's just get rid of this sentence here. And this is where we enter the action that will start the keyword generated flow. So we have, hi Suzanne, please click, I cannot type today, click the go button below to get started. All right, and then we are doing a quick reply. And this is where we're going to type in the word go. So this part is the essential part to the entire Messenger Facebook ad setup. So what you're going to want to do is connect your bot, which is what you need to do if you're sending it to a third party. So we're going to go back over to the keyword, and as I was saying before, you need to take this number from your keyword flow URL, and we need to copy it and paste it over to the Facebook ad, like so. All right, so that will initiate the keyword flow over in Manychat to start when somebody clicks on this go button. So I'm going to change this to go template, and now we're going to preview it in our messenger, and it's going to send it over to my messenger. And as you can see here over in Messenger, we got this first bit of text with the hi Suzanne, please click the go button below to get started. And there's the go button. And so we click on go, which activates the bot flow that we created attached to that keyword go. So there you have it. That is how we set up a Facebook Messenger ad. Everything else you don't need to worry about. You just confirm and you're all set. So I hope that is of help. See you next time when we have another Facebook Messenger tutorial.